Speak English with Coffee.
Today, talking about your feelings.
Hello, and welcome back. I'm Mia, and I am so happy you are here with us today.
And I'm Sam. It is so nice to see you again.
Today, we want to talk about your feelings. We want to help you say how you really feel.
This is a lovely topic. Every day we have feelings, but sometimes it is hard to say them.
Yes, that is so true. A friend asks, "How are you?" And we just say, "I'm fine."
We say fine so many times, but sometimes fine is not the real answer.
Exactly. So today, you will learn easy words for your feelings. Then you can say how you really feel.
And it is okay to feel any feeling, happy, sad, or tired. Every feeling is okay.
That is so true. And you do not need to do anything. You can just relax and listen with us.
And if this helps you, you can subscribe. It is free and it helps other learners find us too.
So let's begin. We have a warm and easy chat for you today.
Mia, can I ask you something? Did you say I'm fine this week when it was not really true?
Oh, yes, I did. Last week, a friend asked me how I was. I said, "I'm fine." But I was not fine.
Oh, I am sorry to hear that. So how did you really feel?
I felt a little upset. Upset means you feel sad or not happy about something. My day was not good.
Oh, that is hard. And do you know why you felt upset?
Yes, I do. I was worried about my work. Worried means you think about a bad thing and you do not feel calm. I had a big job to do.
Oh, I understand. So you were worried and you felt upset. That is a lot for one day.
It was. But I said, "I'm fine anyway." I did not want to be a problem for my friend.
Oh, Mia, so many people do this. We hide our feelings because we do not want to be a problem.
Yes, exactly. But then my friend asked again. She said, "Mia, are you really okay?"
Oh, that is a kind friend. And what did you say to her then?
Well, this time I told the truth. I said, "No, not really. I am worried about my work."
That was good of you, Mia. And how did your friend feel about that?
She was so kind. She said, "I understand. Tell me about it." And then I felt better.
Oh, that is lovely. So you talked and then you felt better.
Yes, exactly. When I said the real feeling, I felt much better. It helped me a lot.
That makes so much sense. It is good to share a feeling with a friend.
It really is. And my friend was happy too. She was glad that I told her the truth.
So a good friend really wants to know how you feel.
Yes, a real friend wants the true answer, not just fine. And that is a nice thing.
So Mia, this is the kind point. It is okay to say how you really feel.
Yes, exactly. Fine is easy, and sometimes it is true. But sometimes you feel more than fine.
That is so true. So we need more words than just fine.
Yes, when you have the words, you can say the real feeling, and then people understand you.
And it feels good to be understood. We all want a person who really listens to us.
Exactly. We all want someone to understand us. It is a very good feeling.
And Mia, is it okay to have a bad feeling? Some people think they must be happy all the time.
Oh, it is very okay. Every feeling is okay. Happy, sad, or tired, they all come and go.
That is so kind. So I do not need to hide a sad feeling.
No, you do not. A feeling is not bad. It is just a feeling, and it will pass.
I like that a lot. So the first step is to know the words for our feelings.
Yes, so let's learn a few more feeling words now. Some are happy, and some are not.
That sounds great. Can you give me a happy feeling word first, Mia?
Yes, a lovely one is excited. Excited means you are very happy and you cannot wait for something.
Ooh, I like that word. When do you feel excited, Mia?
I feel excited before a holiday. I think about it and I smile. I cannot wait for it.
Oh, that is a lovely feeling. I feel excited before I see my old friends.
That is a perfect example. So when you wait for a happy thing, you are excited.
That is great. And what is another good feeling word?
Another nice one is grateful. Grateful means you feel happy for a kind thing and you want to say thank you.
Oh, that is a warm word. When do you feel grateful, Mia?
I feel grateful for my friend. She helped me and she was so kind. I am grateful for her.
That is lovely. So when someone is kind, you feel grateful.
Yes, and it is nice to say it. You can tell a person, thank you, I am grateful. It makes them happy.
I love that. Now, what about a harder feeling, one that is not so happy?
Sure, a common one is lonely. Lonely means you are alone and you want a friend with you.
Oh, that is a sad one. When do people feel lonely?
Sometimes people feel lonely at night or in a new city. They want someone to talk to.
Oh, I understand. A lot of people feel lonely sometimes. They are not the only one.
That is so true. If you feel lonely, you can call a friend. Or you can listen to us. We are here.
Oh, that is so kind. So even our chat can help when you feel lonely.
Yes, I hope so. We are like two friends talking with you. You are not alone with us.
That is wonderful. And Mia, how can I ask a friend about their feelings?
It is easy. You can say, how do you feel today? Or you can say, are you okay?
Oh, those are simple. And then I just listen to the answer.
Yes, exactly. You ask, and then you listen. That is a kind and easy thing to do.
That is kind advice. And what if my friend feels upset or worried? What do I say?
You can tell your friend, I understand. I am here for you. You do not need the perfect words. You just need to be kind.
That is lovely. So I listen and I am kind. That is enough.
Yes, that is enough. A kind friend who listens is a wonderful thing.
And Mia, can we feel two things at the same time, like happy and worried together?
Oh, yes, that happens a lot. You can feel excited and worried at the same time. That is very normal.
That is interesting. So our feelings are not just one thing at a time.
Exactly. We are people, and we feel many things. They can change all day.
And Mia, what if I do not want to tell anyone? Can I still help my feeling?
Yes, you can. You can say the feeling to yourself. You can think, I feel worried, and that is okay.
Oh, I like that idea. So just knowing the feeling helps a little.
Yes, it does. When you say the feeling, you understand it better. Then you feel okay.
This is so warm, Mia. And is it good to say our happy feelings too, not only the sad ones?
Oh, yes. When you feel excited or grateful, say it. Happy words make a happy day even better.
That is so true. When I tell my friend good news, we are both happy.
Exactly. When you share a happy feeling, you both smile. So share the good days too.
And Mia, can small things make us feel good too, not only the big things?
Oh, yes. A sunny day can make you feel happy. A small, warm cup of tea can too.
That is so nice. So I can feel grateful for a small, simple thing.
Yes, exactly. A small, happy feeling is still a happy feeling. We can enjoy it every day.
I love that. So we share the sad feelings and the happy feelings. All of them.
Yes, all of them. Your feelings are a part of you, and they are okay to share.
This is so helpful, Mia. So now we have words for many different feelings.
Yes, and when you have the words, how are you, is not hard. You can give a real answer.
That is a wonderful thing. A real answer helps two people understand each other.
Yes, and the more you do it, the easier it gets. Soon, it feels normal to say your feelings.
That is so true, Mia. These are wonderful words for our feelings. Thank you, Mia.
Well, this was a warm chat about feelings. Let's look again at the 5 words from today.
Good idea. They are all useful words for your feelings.
First, upset. Upset means you feel sad or not happy about something. I felt upset last week.
Next, worried. Worried means you think about a bad thing and you do not feel calm.
Then, excited. Excited means you are very happy and you cannot wait for something.
After that, grateful. Grateful means you feel happy for a kind thing and you say thank you.
And last, lonely. Lonely means you are alone and you want a friend with you.
5 good words for your feelings. You can use them today.
Now we have one small question for you. How do you feel right now? Tell us in one word in the comments.
We read every single comment and we would love to hear from you.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today. You learned 5 new words, and that is wonderful.
If you enjoy these warm chats, please subscribe. Then you can join us again next time.
Next time, we will talk about your time. We will learn how to use your free time well and not waste it.
It will be a kind and helpful chat. We really hope you can join us.
So take good care of yourself, and we will see you next time. Goodbye for now.